So in this video I will talk about the throttle time operator in RxJS and what are the benefits of using this operator. So suppose you have a use case like you want to prevent a double submit or you want to add throttling on the mouse move. So basically it restrict the user for some time so that it will not be double submitted. So yeah, here we can see the demo, like if the user click 20 times here, so it allows the click only on the 2 seconds. So here I added the time on the 2 seconds. So how you can achieve that? And so basically what it do is basically ignore the rest for next 2 seconds. So if you see here how I implemented this, and so as we know we have the throttle time operator. So if you see here we have this throttle time, so we can use this to apply. So now let's focus only on the throttle time for now. And so yeah, let's see here if you see. So let's click here multiple times, and so if you see here, let me start at this time. So I started on this, so I'm on 2 seconds only it is aligned. So if you see here, allow click, raw click, so yeah, it is allowing only that. And if you see here, we have like what I have done. I simply on the click event, so I fetch it from the click event and just simply add throttle time on it. And here we are restricting for the 2 seconds. Yeah, so yeah, you can easily implement that in that way. And if you see here, so throttle output and what are the raw click. So yeah, this is basically very like good way to add improve the user experience. Only first event is allowed, rest are ignored. Yeah. Thanks guys for watching.